The winds of change are blowing strong, ecosystem hums along, restoration hand in hand. Let's revive this precious land. Desertification slowly creeps, great green wall a vow we keep. Unite the world to stand and fight, turn the darkness into light. Belize barrier reef so grand, flora fauna make their stand. Natural habitats we strive to save, together strong, brave and unafraid. Of hope in every mind, nature's grace we seek to find. From cities bright to rural fields, healing hands our dream revealed. Every tree, every breeze, echoes whispers from the seas. Bound together earth and sky, in this dance we unify. With each step we build anew, dressed in green and skies of blue. Mother Earth our loving guide, ebb and flow like ocean tides.